YouTube, it's more than just a website, it's a global phenomenon. With billions of users, it's a platform where anyone can share their story. But with great reach comes great competition. Standing out from the crowd requires strategy and smart work. That's where YouTube automation comes in. Think of YouTube as a crowded marketplace. Everyone is vying for attention. To succeed, you need to work smarter, not harder. You need tools that help you manage your channel effectively. This is especially true for creators who are serious about growing their audience and influence. In today's digital age, time is precious. As creators, we wear many hats: filming, editing, promoting, engaging. Juggling all these tasks can be overwhelming, but what if you could automate some of these tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what you love, creating amazing content? Let's dive into how YouTube automation can transform your channel and unlock its true potential. YouTube automation is like having a team of tireless assistants working behind the scenes. It's the use of software and tools to streamline and automate tasks that are essential for running your channel. Imagine a world where videos are uploaded automatically, comments are managed efficiently, and performance data is analyzed without lifting a finger. This isn't about replacing your creativity or personality. It's about empowering you to be more efficient. Automation takes care of the repetitive, time-consuming tasks. This gives you the freedom to focus on your creative vision and connect with your audience on a deeper level. So, what exactly can be automated on YouTube? The possibilities are vast and constantly evolving. Here are some key tasks that can be streamlined with automation: video uploads, comment moderation, performance analysis, notification management, and video optimization. Each of these tasks plays a vital role in your channel's success. Let's take a closer look at how automation can revolutionize your YouTube workflow. Consistency is key on YouTube. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Automation tools allow you to schedule your videos in advance. This ensures a consistent upload schedule, even when you're busy creating new content or taking a well-deserved break. Engaging with your audience is crucial, but managing comments can be time-consuming. Automation tools can help you filter spam, identify important comments, and even provide automated responses to frequently asked questions. Data is gold in the world of YouTube. Understanding how your videos are performing is essential for growth. Automation tools can track key metrics like views, watch time, and engagement. These insights help you refine your content strategy and create videos that resonate with your audience. These are just a few examples of how automation can streamline your YouTube journey. In the next sections, we'll explore the benefits of automation in more detail and provide a step-by-step guide to getting started. Imagine this: you've just finished editing a fantastic new video. You're excited to share it with your audience, but you also have other commitments. Instead of staying up late or interrupting your day to upload, you use an automation tool to schedule the video for release at the optimal time. That's the power of automated video uploading. You maintain a consistent upload schedule without being tied to your computer. This is particularly beneficial for creators who target audiences in different time zones. You can ensure your videos are going live when your viewers are most likely to be online. But it's not just about convenience. Scheduling your uploads in advance allows you to plan your content strategically. You can create themed weeks, build anticipation for upcoming releases, and optimize your content calendar for maximum impact. Section 5. Taming the Comment Beast, Automation to the Rescue. Comments are the lifeblood of any YouTube channel. They foster a sense of community and provide valuable feedback. However, as your channel grows, managing comments can become, well, a full-time job. This is where automation tools come to the rescue. They can filter out spam comments, saving you from wading through irrelevant or inappropriate messages. They can also identify comments from your most engaged viewers, allowing you to prioritize your responses and build stronger relationships. Some automation tools even offer features like automated responses to frequently asked questions. This frees up your time and ensures that viewers receive timely and helpful information. Remember, engaging with your audience is crucial. Automation tools simply help you manage this process more efficiently, allowing you to focus on meaningful interactions. Section 6. Data-driven growth, analyzing performance with automation. Data is the key to unlocking your channel's full potential. By understanding how your videos are performing, you can make informed decisions about your content strategy. Automation tools provide you with the insights you need to refine your approach and create videos that resonate with your audience. Imagine having a dashboard that tracks key metrics like views, watch time, audience retention, and engagement. You can see which videos are performing well, identify trends, and understand what your audience finds most compelling. This data empowers you to make informed decisions about your content. You can double down on what's working, experiment with new ideas, and continuously improve your channel's performance. With automation, you no longer have to spend hours manually collecting and analyzing data. The tools do the heavy lifting for you, presenting the information in a clear and actionable way. Section 7. The power of notifications. Keep your audience engaged. Notifications are a powerful tool for keeping your audience engaged. They alert your subscribers when you upload new content, go live, or have other important updates. However, managing notifications manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Automation tools streamline this process, allowing you to schedule notifications in advance and ensure that they reach your audience at the optimal time. You can also personalize your notifications to make them more engaging and relevant to your viewers. For example, you can segment your audience based on their interests and send targeted notifications about specific types of content. This personalized approach can significantly increase your click-through rates and engagement. By automating your notifications, you can stay top of mind with your audience and ensure that they never miss an update. Section 8. Automated optimization, fine-tuning for success. Creating great content is just the first step. To truly succeed on YouTube, you need to optimize your videos for discoverability. This means using relevant keywords, writing compelling descriptions, and choosing the right tags. Manually optimizing each video can be tedious and time-consuming. But with automation tools, you can streamline this process and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Some automation tools offer features like keyword research and suggestions, helping you identify the best terms to target for your content. They can also analyze your video's content and suggest relevant tags to improve its visibility. By automating your video optimization, you can save time and effort while ensuring that your content reaches the widest possible audience. Section 9. Embracing the future, your journey to YouTube automation. YouTube automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for creators who are serious about growth and efficiency. By embracing automation tools, you can reclaim your time, optimize your workflow, and unlock your channel's full potential. The first step is to research and choose the right automation tools for your needs. There are many options available, each with its own set of features and pricing plans. Consider your budget, the size of your channel, and the specific tasks you want to automate. Start by automating 1 or 2 tasks, and gradually incorporate more tools into your workflow as you become comfortable. Experiment with different approaches, track your results, and don't be afraid to ask for help. For more tips and guidance on YouTube automation, be sure to subscribe to the Millionaire online channel. We share valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed on YouTube. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey, not a destination. By embracing automation, you can navigate this journey with greater efficiency, focus, and confidence.